Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. If you've previously enabled multi-factor authentication on your ChatGPT account and wish to disable it, then first of all, launch open your ChatGPT application on your device. Once you open up ChatGPT, make sure that you're logged into it as well. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the two horizontal menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on your username at the bottom and then click on Security on the next page. Under Security, if you have enabled multi-factor authentication, then you'll see the toggle button turned on. To disable it, simply tap the toggle button right next to multi-factor authentication. You'll then need to go through this step. Write down your email address and click Continue in the text box. Now enter your password associated with your OpenAI account and click Continue. After doing that, you'll then need to go ahead and verify your identity by typing in the one-time password application for a code, or you may also choose a different verification method. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the same page where you'll need to turn off the toggle button and click on Disable MFA. Soon after you do that, you will be able to turn off multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. So that's how it's easily done, but always ensure that your account remains secure, especially if you choose to disable multi-factor authentication. Consider using strong, unique password and enabling other available security features to protect your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.